Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin at the base with the first actionable step: install power cores and the fuse into the lighthouse console. Do this now because the device won't energize otherwise. Once done, walk the North Trail and clear minimal patrols. Stealth preserves resources. Make sure the map shows the lighthouse icon. Set a waypoint so you can return if interrupted. You need the light source active to progress the story, and powering it is the quick gate to later mechanics. You now align the beam and perform calibration, which is the complex middle step. Rotate the lens control in 45 degrees increments until the beam hits the distant marker. This directs NPC behavior and unlocks routes. Then adjust intensity. Low preserves stealth, high signals allies, or reveals hidden platforms, so choose based on mission goals. Once done, sync with nearby relays by linking 2 of 3 relays. This stabilizes. You finish by triggering the final sequence. Press confirm and hold for 3 seconds to activate the lighthouse full effect. After activation, climb to the top to collect mission rewards and inspect the environment for newly spawned chests or access points. If things go wrong, here is the key troubleshooting tip. Reset the console, reapply the fuse, and relink relays. Loose relay links are the most common failure. Make sure everything is seated and synced before retrying activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.